Docker is a containerization platform that allows develop, and there's our response. So lately I've been developing a front end for Ollama. What we can actually do is we can look at the models I have locally. So these are the listings of the models I have downloaded locally, and let us just use the one which is already defaultly selected. So let us ask, what is the difference between machine learning and AI? Ollama is actually running in the back, and it's running as a service, and it's using an API. So this is how we are receiving the response. So the model I actually selected is a 1 billion. So it means that it would run like really quickly on nearly any machine. And there's our response. All right. So this was the response, well structured. It's a nice response. Let me make another request again. I'll ask, what is Docker? All right. Let's now see. Developers to package, ship, and run application in containers. So we have received our response. It's an amazing response, actually. The responses are nice. If you'd like, you can like look at the differences of the responses between like the models. So you select another model here. Let's maybe select this one here, and we can ask the same question again. What is Docker? So the way that I designed the UI is so that you can actually use more than one model, and it can actually have all of the responses in one, and you can see it. So the response is much more slower, and we have received our response. This one was a bit more slower, but you can see the difference between the models. Will actually like the first response is because of the way that it's well structured, and also it has much more points and it's easily readable, whereas in the other response we receive it as a paragraph, which I'm not really liking it, and it's harder like when you are reading it. So I made a function. This will actually enable us so that we can receive the responses that are in the chunks, meaning that we are receiving responses like one by one, like that. In each of the responses we are receiving, these are labeled as chunks, and in each of them we're having the tokens, and these are what are displayed on the screen on the UI. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you leave a like and also leave a comment of what you think about the video, and let me know what you want to see next time. There is a link in the description which is for the repository of this application if you want to use it on your own, and make sure also to see my social medias. There are also links for that in the description. Thank you for watching. Next time. Bye.